Hi, this is Mrs. Haagenson, and I have another read aloud for you. This book is titled Please, Mr. Panda, and the author and illustrator is Steve Antony. This is a book about manners. Please, Mr. Panda. And when I see those donuts that were on the cover, Please, Mr. Panda by Steve Antony. This is called the title page and the dedication page on the left. Would you like a donut? Give me the pink one. Oh, he didn't use his manners. No, you cannot have a donut. I have changed my mind. Would you like a donut? I want the blue one and the yellow one. No, you cannot have a donut. I have changed my mind. Would you like a donut? No, go away. These animals aren't using their manners. Would you like a donut? I want them all. Then bring me some more. No, you cannot have a donut. I have changed my mind. Would anyone else like a donut? Hello, may I have a donut? Please, Mr. Panda? He asked politely. He used the word please. You can have them all. Thank you very much. I love donuts. You're welcome. I do not like donuts. Oh, he even gave him the donut hat. And lemurs have long tails with stripes. Look what he's doing with his tail. He's putting donuts on it. It's got a full belly, taking a nap, just some donut crumbs left. I hope you enjoyed the short story. There are 2 other panda books, at least 2, that I own and love. I'd read them to you, but I already read them to my class, so maybe you should ask a grown-up if they can find them at the library once the libraries are open. Bye.